students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.3, problem number 3. Here we have two different types of soaps, A and B, in the market. I consider capital A as soap A and capital B as soap B. Straight away we can write transition probability matrix, that is represented by the letter T. So 2 by 2 matrix. What are the two products? A, B, A and B. Listen. Their present market shares are 15% for A and 85% for B. 15 plus 85, 100% together. First condition, of those who bought A the previous year, 65% continue to buy it again. So A with A, 65%, 0.65. Then switch over to B. What's the remaining percentage? Since it is 65, balance 35%, 0.35. Second condition, of those who bought B the previous year, 55% buy it again. So B with B, 55%. B with B, 55%, 0.55. So what about the balance? 45%, correct? 55% plus 45%, 100%. That is given in the question also. Here, 45%. Switch over to A. Find the market shares after 1 year and when is the equilibrium reached? First subdivision, shares after 1 year, that is a heading, after 1 year. Consider AB with T. That is given. The values of A and B is given in the question. Present market shares are 15% for A and 85% for B. 15 and 85. 15 for A, 15%. 85%, that is 0.85 for the product B. Into transition matrix, here it is 0.65, 0.35, 0.45, 0.55. Then you have to multiply row by column. 0.15 into 0.65, that is equal to 0.0975. That is equal to 0.0975 plus 0.85 into 0.45, that is equal to 0.3825. 0.3825. First row, first column over. Now first row, second column, 0.15 into 0.35, that is equal to 0.0525. 0.0525 plus 0.85 into 0.55, that is equal to 0.4675. Equals, add together, you will be getting 0.48. Together 0.52. So this is 48%, this is 52%, together 100%. So can write product A percentage 48%, and product B percentage, sales percentages 52%. Now second subdivision, find the market shares after 1 year. The second subdivision, here it is, when is the equilibrium reached? Okay, so at equilibrium, A and B are the two products. If you multiply it with the transition probability matrix, you will be getting same A and B. That is a condition for equilibrium, remember. Which implies A and B. What about the values of A and B? So here at equilibrium, whenever you are given that equilibrium, write A and B as it is. No need to replace any values. A and B as it is. Just you have to replace the value of T alone. T is a transition probability matrix. Transition probability matrix, here it is 0.65, 0.35, 0.65, 0.35 to 0.45, 0.55, 0.45, 0.55. That is equal to A and B. Write RHS as it is. AB. A into 0.65, that is equal to 0.65A, multiply B into 0.45, that is 0.45B, A into 0.35, that is 0.35A, plus multiply these two, will be getting 0.55B, that is equal to AB. First with the first, second with the second. Consider any one of them. I consider 0.65A plus 0.45B, that is equal to A. We know that A plus B, that is equal to 1. 100%. The 100% can be replaced by 100 by 100, 100 by the 100, that is equal to 1. Which implies B, that is equal to 1 minus A. Plus A comes right hand side, minus A. Let it be number 1. Which implies 0.65A plus 0.45B, that B can be replaced by 1 minus A. That is equal to A. 0.65A plus multiply 0.5 into 1 is 0.5, plus into minus minus 0.45 into A is 0.45A, that is equal to A. Subtract 0.65A minus 0.45A, like terms, that is 0.20, that is 0.2A, plus 0.45, that is equal to A. I am retaining 0.45 in the left hand side, 0.45 right hand side A, plus 0.2A comes right hand side, minus 0.2A, 0.45, that is equal to, take A as common, 1 minus 0.2, that is equal to 1 minus 0.2, that is equal to 0.8. This is how to find the value of A. A, that is equal to 0.45 divided by 0.8. Can divide using the calculator. 0.45 divided by 0.8, that is equal to 0.5625. That is equal to 0.5625. I got the value of A. If you multiply this decimal value by 100, you can get the answer in percentage. If you multiply, you will be getting 0.5625 into 100, that is equal to 56.25%, right? Before that, we can find the value of B also. Equation number 1 implies, here it is, equation number 1 implies B, that is equal to 1 minus A. So B, that is equal to 1 minus A value 0.5625, that is equal to 0.4375, 0.4375. So at equilibrium is reached. Finally write the result. Therefore the equilibrium is reached. Equilibrium is reached when A's share is, what about the value of A? 0.5625, can write in percentage, 56.25%, and B's share is 0.4375, can be written as 43.75%. Problem number 3 is over. I'll be teaching problem number 4 in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 1. Continuation of exercise 1.3, problem number 4. Two products A and B currently share the market with the shares 50% and 50% each respectively. Listen, I consider A as product A and B as product B. Given A's present share equals 50%, even for B present share is 50%. Now, transition probability matrix. Let it be T. Two products A and B. Now, first condition, of those who bought the product A the previous week, 60% buy it again, whereas 40% switch over to B. Those who have bought the product A, 60% buy it again and 40% switch over to B. Condition number 2. Of those who bought B the previous week, 80% buy it again, whereas 20% switch over to A. So those who have bought the product B, 80% buy it again and 20% switch over to A. So together 100%, 60% plus 40%, 100%. Even you can write 0.2. 0.2 and 0.20 are same only. So 20% plus 80% equals 100%. Subdivision number 1. See, find their shares after 1 week and after 2 weeks. Now, shares after 1 week. After 1 week. Consider products A and B with the transition matrix. Multiply with the transition matrix. Current share for A and B given 50-50. Right, 50-50. That is 0.5, 0.5 into transition matrix. Here it is 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, 0.8 equals 0.5 into 0.6, that is equal to 0.3. 0.5 plus 0.2, that is equal to 0.1. 0.5 into 0.4, that is 0.2. 0.5 into 0.8, that is equal to 0.4. So that is a row by column multiplication. Add together, we are getting 0.4 and 0.6. That is A equals 0.4 means 40%. So shares after 1 week for A 40% and for B 0.6, that is 60%. Now we have to find out the shares after 2 weeks. Again you have to consider AB with the T. Now that A and B should be replaced by 40% and 60%. 40% that is equal to 0.4, 60% that is 0.6 into transition, that is 0.6, 0.4, 0.2 and 0.8. 0.4 into 0.6, 0.24. 0.6 into 0.2, that is 0.12, row by column. 0.4 into 0.4, that is equal to 0.16. 0.6 into 0.8, that is equal to 0.48 equals 0.24 plus 0.12, that is equal to 0.36, together 0.64. So shares after 2 weeks, A equals 0.36, that is 36%, and B, that is equal to 0.64, means 64%. Now second subdivision, see the question. If the price war continues when the equilibrium is reached, so at equilibrium, write two products A and B into transition matrix, that is equal to A and B. Whenever you are given equilibrium, you have to write like this, which implies write A and B as it is into transition matrix 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, 0.8, that is equal to A and B. Row by column, A into 0.6, A into 0.6, 0.6 A plus B into 0.2, 0.2 B, A into 0.6, 0.6 A. Here I made the mistake, this is 0.4 only. So A into 0.4, 0.4 A plus B into 0.8, 0.8 B, that is equal to A B. Now first equals first, second equals second. Okay, I consider first equal first, can consider any one of them. I consider first equal first, 0.6A plus 0.2B, that is equal to A. We know that A and B together equals 100%, 100% equals 100 by 100, 100 by 100 equals 1. Then B equals 1 minus A, let it be equation number 1, which implies 0.6A plus 0.2B, that B can be replaced by 1 minus A, that is equal to A. 0.6A plus multiply 0.2, 0.2 into A, 0.2A, that is equal to A. Subtract 0.6A minus 0.2A, that is equal to 0.4A plus 0.2, that is equal to A. Therefore A, that is equal to, I am retaining 0.2 in the left hand side, A minus this 0.4A comes right hand side, 0.4A, 0.2, that is equal to, take A as common, 1 minus 0.4, 0.2, that is equal to A into 1 minus 0.4, that is equal to 0.6. Therefore A equals 0.2 divided by 0.6. For eliminating the decimal point, multiply and divide by 10. 0.2 into 10, that is equal to 2 divided by 0.6 into 10, that is equal to 6. If we divide by 2, table 1 and 3, 1 by 3. 1 by 3, it will be going 0.3333, can write only 2 decimal places, 0.33 enough. A, that is equal to 0.33 approximately. So equation number 1 implies, look at the equation number 1, here it is, B, that is equal to 1 minus A, 1 minus A, B, that is equal to 1 minus A. What is the value of A? 0.33. So 1 minus 0.33, that is equal to 0.67. Therefore, finally have to write the result. Equilibrium is reached. Equilibrium is reached when A's share equals 0.33 in percentage, 33%, and B's share equal 0.67, that is equal to 67%. So exercise 1.3 over, even chapter number 1 completely over. You try to do the example sums, right?